Hello, I'm State Representative John Payne of the 106th District in Dauphin County. Thanks for joining me for this month's V-Clip. Several road projects are currently under construction throughout the district. I wanted to give you an overview of some of the areas affected, as well as some information about projects that have been recently completed. Route 422 on Lingle Avenue in Derry Township underwent a project to widen and reconstruct the road. Estimated at more than $3.2 million, the project included adding left turn lanes in all directions, reconstructing and resurfacing roadways to improve safety and traffic flow. This project was completed in the summer of this year. Road construction crews are continuing to work to realign the Hershey Square at the intersection of Route 743 and Route 422 in Derry Township. This project also includes the replacement of the bridge, Route 743, over the Norfolk Southern Railroad tracks, the construction of 2 pedestrian underpasses, the insertion of 2 mechanically stabilized earth retaining walls, all the utility relocation, Allen safety planting dividers, and improvements on drainage and a complete resurfacing of the roadways. The entire project is expected to be completed in the summer of 2013 at an estimated cost of more than $13 million. A project to extend Meade Avenue from Rosedale Avenue to a new signalized intersection at Route 230 and the Linden Center has just recently been completed. This Lower Swidara Township project also included improvements to University Drive. The total project was estimated at $4.8 million. The Milroy Underpass in Swidara Township is now on PennDOT's 12-year plan. Norfolk Southern and PennDOT are working on proposed improvements to this area. Recent drainage and flooding issues closed the underpass and caused emergency repairs by Norfolk Southern. A new traffic signal also was installed at the intersection of Route 743 South and Schoolhouse Road in Caughnawaga Township. This was part of safety improvements made due to the expansion of the Caughnawaga Elementary School. Improvements to the stormwater systems as well as road resurfacing throughout Hummelstown Borough are continuing with anticipated completion by the summer of 2013 when Main Street will be resurfaced. Additionally, stormwater improvements in the Hershey area will continue throughout the winter of 2012 and 13. Several areas are undergoing repairs at the same time, including Route 322 at Cocoa Avenue, Mill Street, Maple Avenue, Ariba Avenue, and Old West Chocolate Avenue. These projects were made possible when Derry Township received more than $4 million in state H2O grants. Roadwork and bridge improvements are necessary to provide assurance of quality roads for the thousands of drivers who travel throughout the local area. As always, when you're approaching a work area, please slow down. Obey the posted speed limits for the safety of yourself and the construction workers. Thank you for joining me for this month's V-Clip. As a reminder, I'll be sending an update each month as a way to keep you informed in the issues taking place in Harrisburg and throughout the district. If you have any questions, contact my office. The contact information appears within this email message. Until next time, I'm John Payne.